Okay, so we're on thermochemistry, and we're just to kind of make sure we're all on the same page here. We're in Discovery Education, Unit 1, Concept 2. And if we go ahead and click on that, we are looking at Explore page number 1 out of 4. The essential question, how do you distinguish between exothermic and endothermic processes? So we're just taking the notes here and we're putting them into the reading, and we're just putting it into some kind of note format here. So take a moment, write down your templates here, date, reference, and tell me what you know. Okay. Well, hopefully you took a moment to pause and write down what you know. So, releasing energy, Roman numeral 1. We have exothermic reactions. We went ahead and broke out the word into its parts. Exo meaning outwards or out, and thermi having to do with heat or heat energy. So these are reactions that involve the releasing of heat into the environment. Okay, these reactions release energy to the surroundings. And you can see here I took an opportunity to use our side margin and just make a note. We're talking about chemical reactions here. We went ahead and drew a picture here of a log fire, which in your text they describe as a combustion reaction. Okay, there's different types of chemical reactions. Combustion reactions usually are going to release heat energy, they're going to release light energy, they're going to release soot in the way of smoke, water vapor, and carbon dioxide. So we see this, but for our purposes, this is simply an example of a chemical reaction that releases energy into the environment. Okay, where is that energy coming from? It's coming from the chemical bonds inside the wood. Okay, and if you kind of go through your reading, they'll talk about chemical potential energy. This is energy that is stored up. It has the potential to do work, right? In this case, the energy is in the hydrocarbons of the plant fiber, and when they are broken apart, they're going to release their potential energy. Okay, and that's why we call this chemical potential energy. The other type of reaction we have is endothermic reactions. Endo meaning within, and thermi or thermic meaning heat. So these are reactions that absorb heat from the surroundings. A very simple example is something like an ice pack or an ice cube. When you touch the ice, you can feel the heat leaving your body and moving into the ice, and that's why you feel a sensation of coolness, right? So this ice, as it melts, the reaction is endothermic. It's absorbing energy from the surroundings. Well, take a moment to to watch the videos on your own, and also try to make sense of this by reading it on your own. There's a lot of value in that, of course. Go ahead and write a summary paragraph, what you learned, and we'll talk to you soon. Ciao.